How to find follow request on Threads app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find follow request on Threads app. For this, launch open the Threads app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the heart icon at the bottom of your screen. You will find different tabs over here. Now in the All tab, you will find basically all kinds of notifications, including requests, replies, mentions, quote, and repost. You can individually tap on these tabs as well. If you want to find your follow request, tap on the request tab in this way. Now you can check all of your requests from here. If you want to confirm it one by one, then tap on the confirm option next to the request. If you want to approve all of the requests, tap on the approve all option. So now if you tap on the confirm option in this way, the follow request will be accepted. You also have the option to follow back. So if you want to do that, tap on the follow back option in this way. And this is how you can find follow request on Threads app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.